Welcome to the mystical world of Paimon. In Genshin games, the voice of Paimon is very cute.
超すっごい真剣を探してる。第16条、いやいや67条か。お前らやっと内緒話が終わったんだな。
Have you ever thought about changing your voice into the voice of Paimon to prank your teammates or enemies when you play games? There are many real-time voice changers such as VoiceMod, 11 Lab, Voice AI, etc. But today I would like to introduce a software that has the voice of the Paimon, and the voice change effect is particularly smooth and restored, Magic Box. Let's first listen to its sound change effect.
その風車のところまで行ってみようぜ。おいらはただその噂の剣をこの手に。
First of all, Magic Box can support 4-terminal login, and Mac, Windows, iPhone and Android can be used. Click the link in the description to download it for free. Next, open Magic Box, register a personal account and log in, and open all three buttons at the bottom of the screen. Search Paimon directly in the voice box. Click on her profile picture to select her voice. You can also adjust her voice on the right side. You only need to go to the game and select Voice Changer Virtual Audio Device as default device. Finally, Magic Box supports voice change on multiple platforms, including Discord, Fortnite, CSGO, Valorant, Roblox, etc. Gamers should not miss it. At the same time, some users want to change voice while stream. Magic Box can be used on Steam, OBS, Zoom and other platforms. If this video helps, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye, see you next time.